Welcome to Destination Perfect. Today, we journey to Elbląg, a city reborn from history, where the past and present intertwine. Here, Gothic spires pierce the sky, 19th century engineering still works its magic, and the aroma of fresh bread drifts from the Vistula lagoon. We'll explore revived streets, marvel at enduring landmarks, and discover the essence of Elbląg through its 7 wonders. Prepare your senses and join me as we uncover the spirit of this remarkable Polish city. Let the adventure begin. Our journey starts in the heart of Elbląg, the Old Town, or Stare Miasto. What you see is a triumph of reconstruction after World War II devastation, where new buildings echo the medieval originals. The gabled facades and narrow plots create a vertical, intimate charm unique to this city. It's not a museum, but a vibrant district filled with shops, cafes, and daily life. Stroll along Stary Rynek and Mostowa and notice the artistic details, modern interpretations honoring the past. Don't miss the church path, a narrow medieval passage that transports you back in time. Take a seat at a cafe, savor local cake, and absorb the atmosphere. The old town is more than a starting point. It's a testament to Elbląg's resilience and creativity. Here, history isn't just preserved, it's celebrated in every brick and street corner. This district is the foundation of modern Elbląg, a living story of beauty and endurance. So, take your time and let the old town reveal its secrets. It's the perfect introduction to the city's soul.
Next, we encounter the Elbląg Canal, a marvel of 19th century engineering. Instead of locks, boats are carried over hills on rail-mounted cradles, powered by water wheels, a surreal experience of sailing on grass. The journey glides through forests, meadows, and villages, offering a haven for nature lovers and birdwatchers. 5 inclined planes and 2 locks make this canal a living piece of industrial heritage. At Bucheniek, visit the museum to see the canal's ingenious mechanics up close. Cruising here is more than sightseeing, it's a journey through history, technology, and nature. Whether you're an engineer, historian, or curious traveler, the canal is unforgettable. It's a highlight of the region and a true wonder of the industrial age. Don't miss this unique adventure.
Now, we arrive at St. Nicholas Cathedral, Elbląg's spiritual and architectural anchor. Its 97-meter brick tower dominates the skyline, a beacon of faith and history. Inside, soaring vaults and filtered light create an atmosphere of awe. The cathedral's bronze baptismal font, crafted in 1387, connects us to centuries of Elbląg's citizens. Climb the tower for a panoramic view of the city, river, and lagoon, a breathtaking reward. The cathedral's art and architecture tell stories of resilience and renewal. This is more than a monument, it's the city's spiritual heart. Here, you feel the weight of history and the enduring power of community. St. Nicholas is essential to understanding Elbląg's soul. Don't leave without experiencing its majesty. If you are enjoying the video so far, please make sure to like and subscribe to the Destination Perfect channel for more travel videos like this. Also check out our affiliate links in the description below to book your holiday, as those sites have the best deals in our opinion. Buying from our links will really help the channel out.
Elbląg's iconic market gate, Brama Targowa, stands as the last survivor of medieval fortifications. For 700 years, it's welcomed travelers and guarded the old town. Its Gothic architecture and thick walls speak of a time when security and grandeur mattered. Climb to the top for an intimate view of the city's gabled roofs and bustling streets. Inside, small exhibitions reveal the city's layered history. Don't miss the legend of Piekarczyk, the baker's apprentice who saved Elbląg, a symbol of local heroism. Walking through the gate is a rite of passage, connecting you to centuries of stories. Brama Targowa is more than a photo spot, it's a living link to Elbląg's past. Step through and truly arrive in historical Elbląg. To understand Elbląg, dig deeper at the Museum of Archaeology and History. Housed in restored medieval buildings, the museum brings the city's past to life. Discover artifacts unearthed after WW, shoes, jewelry, tools, and pottery from daily life. Explore the story of Trousseau,
a Viking-era trading post, and see treasures from across Europe and beyond. Modern exhibits and multimedia displays make history engaging and accessible. The museum reveals Elbląg's journey from Teutonic Order to Hanseatic League, through destruction and rebirth. Visiting here enriches every step you take in the city. It's essential for anyone seeking to truly know Elbląg. Escape to Bażantarnia Park, Elbląg's vast green oasis, just beyond the old town. Once a pheasantry, now it's a forest park with rolling hills, beech trees, and winding trails. The air is fresh, the scenery tranquil, a perfect retreat from city bustle. Discover wooden bridges, scenic viewpoints, and the legendary Devil's Stone. The park's beauty changes with the seasons, from wildflowers in spring to golden leaves in autumn. It's a place for walking, cycling, or simply unwinding in nature. Bażantarnia balances Elbląg's history with its natural splendor. Visit to refresh your spirit and experience the city's diverse character. End your day on the Elbląg River Promenade, the city's lively social hub. Stroll along the riverside with stunning views of the old town's silhouette. Watch boats glide by and bridges rise for passing vessels, a nod to Elbląg's port heritage. Enjoy cafes and restaurants with outdoor terraces, sampling local cuisine as the sun sets. The golden hour bathes the city in breathtaking color, reflecting in the calm river. The cathedral's tower against the evening sky is unforgettable. Here, history and modern life blend seamlessly. The promenade is a celebration of Elbląg's connection to water and community. It's the perfect finale to your journey. Our journey through Elbląg ends, but its flavor lingers. We've explored history, marveled at engineering, and savored the city's spirit. Let me know which place is your favorite from this video. I will be sure to read all the comments, so let me know what you think. Elbląg is a place of resilience, warmth, and vibrant rebirth. Thank you for watching this Elbląg travel guide. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like on the video, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to the Perfect Perception YouTube channel for more videos like this, as this really helps the channel out. Please take a look at the description down below to see our channel playlists of travel videos that we did across the whole world. You will definitely find something you like there. If you need the best deals, you can check out our affiliate links in the description down below, as this helps the channel keep going, and they have the best deals in our opinion. I hope you're inspired to visit, create your own memories, and savor the unique taste of this remarkable city. We hope to see you on our next video uncovering another hidden gem in this world. Thank you for the support, and until our next adventure, farewell.